Is Carlianne Domingo. I'm a freelance production staff. I do production assisting in production management. And my experience here in sales ring, ano siya, well, kasi nakapag-shoot na ako before sa isang, parang co-working space for a shoot din na we needed before. And compared to sales ring, actually, mas accommodating yung mga tao. And like, with facilities, parang mas nafe-feel ko yung working environment, like, working environment in a modernized way. Yun lang yung unang pagpasok ko, nakita ko rito nung nagpa-prep pa kami with the shooting, nung hindi pa kami properly nag-shoot. Yung wala kaming nafe-feel na parang yung di ba usually yung mga tao kapag may shoot, parang ano ba naman to, ganyan. In sales ring, hindi naman. Very helpful sila, accommodating and nice. Parang it makes sense na it's a co-working space. It makes sense na people work here in different industry. I don't know kung ano-anong mga industry or companies na nagre-rent dito, but I felt like parang they were united in a space which they felt very comfortable working at. And yun yung mga na-notice ko. In terms of shooting, since yung mga tao, pumasok lang sila like mga nighttime. Wala naman kami masyadong like, abereyang na-encounter, ganyan. With the space, it's very spacious and makakagalaw ka. Yan. And yeah, it's a very nice space to work.